equals VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, the lookup value, I'm going to use this as the lookup value. Okay, we use the formula bar. And then the table array. Okay, the table array I intend to use a table which is here. This is my table. Okay, I will select the whole of this table of mine. Okay, the whole of this table of mine. I think I should exclude I. Should end on instead of I equal room, I think H1 or 3. Okay. I don't intend to add this one of I. So my table starts from A to H to H1 or 3, A2 through H1 or 3. Okay. So this is my table array, this one here. Okay. Then the column index, the rank for end of term is here. So I'll count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is in column 8. So what is it saying? It is going to get this number, okay, this value, the lookup value, which is in Q8. Then to compare it via the first column in this table array, then to return the result, which corresponds to this value in column 8. Then shall press enter. It must return this person is in position 2. But if I change the first person is in position 1. And then I do the same for this mid term and say equals